Hello, I am Chef Selini. I must cook for you. Hello, I am back. We are making a beef doner kebab. We're making a beef doner kebab. We're making a beef doner kebab. We're gonna make a beef doner kebab. We're making a beef doner kebab. Yeah, dude. 1 kilo of beef mince, 1 onion, 2 garlic, 200 grams of streaky bacon, pepper, salt, cinnamon, coriander, and oregano. We're gonna put the ingredients at the bottom of the screen. Look into my eyes, I am hypnotizing you. Okay, we're gonna put the beef mince in the bowl. Boom! Shakalaka, you do like that with the magic click. Now we're gonna put the spices in the bowl of the beef mince. Here we go. We all love baby Jake. Agaki Siku. Mama, it is done. Now I'm gonna put my hands in and get all dirty. Now that's all mixed together and done, we're gonna put it in the fridge for 2 hours. We'll skip it ahead for you, so you don't need to wait 2 hours. Here we go, baby Jake. Look how much healthy stuff we have in our fridge. Let's get a close-up. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Bye-bye. Peace. Let me show you something. Guys, let me show you something which has been here for like 5 months. You're weird. I like it. Once your meat has all marinated, you want to get a blender and get all your bacon, which my mum has cut up for adult supervision, 2 garlics, 1 onion, and you can pour whatever you want in first. In my opinion, I would pour in the garlics first. Perfection. This one you're gonna need 2 hands for, and not if you have a big onion. Now you want to put your bacon in, one by one. I can't get my cast. And remember, it's not ham, it's bacon. You can't eat it raw. You can eat ham raw, but just not bacon. Very, very bad for your lungs.
That's it.
Bye-bye, suckers! Make sure you get every piece of it. And if you do, you don't want to know what's gonna happen. You're gonna get the Barney cast. Barney is a Barney from your outer imagination.
Okay, ready? So now you're gonna blitz it until it becomes a paste.
Ah, I rubbed my eye with my garlic hands. I'm gonna scrape down the sides and blitz it again. Preheat the oven to 150 degrees. Once the meat's marinated, put it in the blender.
Paste.
Blend the meat with the bacon until it's a paste. Oh! Do your squats. Now put it on. Take the lid off. Scrape down the sides. And happy Father's Day to all the people out there.
Aw, thanks, bud.
This is what it looks like when you've turned it into a paste. And now you're gonna wet your hands and roll it into a log. Get 2 pieces of foil and put the cylinder-shaped, oval-shaped kebab on here, and you're gonna start rolling the log. Now you're going to cut off the ends, kids, but have adult supervision with this. Remember the time we did that escape room in bar?
Hard to get in this, both mind and flesh. We know how it goes. We know how it goes. Hard to get in this, both mind and flesh. We know how it goes. We know how it goes. Hard to get in this, both mind and flesh. Only we know how it goes. We know how it goes. Hard to get in this, both mind and flesh. Only we know how it goes. We know how it goes. Hard to get in this, both mind and flesh. Only we know how it goes. We know how it goes. Hard to get in this, both mind and flesh. We know how it goes. Way down low.
Hey guys, anniversary film. Look at my cast, broke my arm. I'm playing that game, it's really cool. Yeah, bye. Peace.